Peachy, what are you doing? What? Oh! You killed it dead, Peach. Yeah, she killed it dead, Charlie. You better go help her. It's probably too bad. No, we are not carrying off the paper towels. No. No. You killed it dead. Now you gotta give it... No. You can have a paper towel. Yeah. There's a good girl. Charlie can have a paper towel. Not my hand, the paper towel. There you go. Yeah, let's make confetti. Make confetti over there. Oh no, she makes little pills, that's right. Charlie's gonna make confetti. What if I try to take it? Oh, it's not yet, it's yours. You want the other piece? Take it nice. Take it nice. Rock. And what's Peachy doing? Peachy rolls hers up into little pills and then spits them on the floor. What? You want it? Oh, okay, sorry. I wasn't paying attention. You know, you can get your own. I don't have to fetch it for you just because you pecked me in the arm. Rock. Rock.